Hey, this is Jeff Tunyas, General Manager for Kennedy Concrete here in Tampa. So today we had an open house for all of our customers, even the general public. We wanted to invite them in, to let them know and see what it takes to make a great quality product and deliver it to their job site, not only safely, but on time.
Well, they just invited, different contractors to come out and let us see, especially people in our crews that don't know what actually is all involved in getting the concrete out to the job site, and they did a fantastic job.
I think a lot of customers and clients out there may not fully understand what it takes to deliver great product. Aside from myself, Corey Hicks, who recently became plant manager, did a great job facilitating this tour, showing people what it takes to go inside the batch plant and make sure we produce a great quality product. And we're extremely happy to have him on our team. This was the first of many hopefully to come. If you're interested in having one of these open houses, contact us or visit our website at kennedyconcrete.com and inquire about how you can be part of this next time.